Oh, we didn't go up here.
Oh my god, guys. That was quite a workout, Jess. Totally. Oh my god, that was easy going to the beach because it was downhill. But coming back up, we didn't even reach halfway up that little tree tunnel area, right, Jess? Oh my god. Woo, what a workout, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the views. We got some drone clips. We got some 360. Got some regular GoPro action, guys. And don't forget to subscribe because pretty soon, well, hopefully, they'll lift this quarantine here in Hawaii and then we can do these kind of stuff on the other islands, right, Jess? And in other places throughout the world, guys. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, you know, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's down there. I think it's to my left or to my right. Yeah, it's a little subscribe icon, guys. So much appreciated if you do. Help us out. Thank you very much. And leave a comment. Leave a comment. We love interacting. Right, Jess? Yes. Oh yeah. I don't know if I'm going to end the vlog now, but this afternoon, once the kiddos finish their distance learning, then we might go to the North Shore. Right, Jess? Is that correct?
Yeah. North Shore? What?
Alright, guys. See you soon.
Where?
Baby, time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay.
okay. Whoa! Left. Left, left. 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 Where are you going? I said left.
To the right.
Oh my god. Serious?